Hey everyone, this is Dennis with Grizzly Soft Wash, and we are here at this horse farm in Alpharetta. We are doing a roof cleaning today. We're doing a driveway cleaning. You can see Eli over there doing some hot lining with the pressure washer. We're going to get all this front walkway done. Already started on the roof. And then we're also soft washing the rock stairs that are off here on the side of the house. They had a bunch of algae on them and they were getting pretty slick to walk on. You can see there's Chris back there. Let's get on the other side of this tree and get a good look at him as he's pulling some hose to do some soft washing. And basically we're just letting the solution do the work, killing the algae, and then we'll come back and rinse. And we've already done our property and plant protection. We've started to wet everything down before Chris came by to put the solution on the stones, and then I'm going to follow back behind him and wet down all these plants as well so that the cleaning solution doesn't have an adverse effect on the plants.